If this video appear in your FYP, then you are blessed. Save it because you'll be needing it someday. Today I'm going to put you through how I made my homemade tomato paste. If you really know what the tomato paste you buy from the market was made of, you will thank me for sharing this video with you. Hello everyone, welcome to today's recipe. I hope you are jubilating on what you are seeing. Before I begin, let me tell you what prompted me to make this tomato paste at home. Early this year, I went on a market survey on tomato paste. I bought about 15 to 20 different tomato paste. When I got home, I bring out my time to go through the ingredients and check the real content of it. Even though they use big grammars, I was able to break everything down. And at the end of it, I found out that majority of the sicknesses that are being rampant is caused by what we eat. Have you ever wondered why kidney failure, heart failure, liver problem, all these big designer sickness are being so rampant? Even in small children, youths, younger ones are still suffering this kind of sickness. Before, we used to hear that it's people that drink too much of beer or sugary stuff that suffer those kind of sickness, or big man. But now, poor man suffers it most. And if active precaution measures are not taken, more sicknesses are yet to still emerge. Now, if you want to achieve this tomato paste, all you need is your fresh tomato, paprika, garlic, ginger, onions. But whenever I'm doing my own, I always add pepper and parsley leaf. I know what is going on in your mind. That tomato is very expensive, that you can't afford it. But check it, when you land yourself in the hospital, the amount of money you will spend there, you will now know that living a good life is better than spending it in the hospital. So the first thing you are supposed to do is to wash it very thoroughly and remove every dirt. Same thing with your paprika, and remove the seed. Then you peel your ginger and your garlic. Then once you wash it, allow them to drain off their water. Now there are two ways to make this tomato paste. It's either you use the cooking process or you use the baking process. I use the both, but today I'm using the baking process. Spread some oil on your baking pan. Then add in your tomatoes, your paprika, your ginger, your garlic, and your onions. Put them in the oven to bake until their water is drained off. Once you bring it out from the oven, don't blend immediately. Allow it to cool down a little bit, then you can now blend. If you are using the parsley leaf, do not put it together when you are putting the tomato. Allow the tomato to dry, then you can now put the parsley leaf and bring it out immediately. Finally, blend them into smoothie. Here you have your original tomato paste, no additive, no colorant, no preservative. In case you don't have a freezer, make sure you add salt, vegetable oil. Then you can put it in your normal shelf. It will last, but it won't last like the one you put in your freezer. Here you have your homemade tomato paste. Now you have learned how to make tomato paste at the comfort of your home. Will you be trying it in your home? Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like and share and follow for more. Bye!